So let's talk about rice. Not just the just a side dish kind of rice. I'm talking about real rice. Silky, gently sticky rice that holds together just right. Aromatic jasmine that fluffs up like a dream. Brown rice that's tender, not chewy, and not dry. You know, the kind of rice that makes you pause after one bite and say, this is how it's supposed to taste. Rice is sacred in so many cultures for a reason. It's simple, it's singular, and when treated with respect, it becomes a quiet star of an entire meal. And that's why I recommend a $300 rice cooker. I've been loyal to one brand for decades, and that is Zojirushi. This baby has traveled across the country with me from Florida to Las Vegas, and it's taken a few dings from the move and being accidentally dropped, but it never quit. So when it was time to upgrade, I welcomed this beauty. This is the Zojirushi NP-HCC10. Here's why it's worth every single penny. Most rice cookers heat from the bottom. Zojirushi uses induction heating, which surrounds the pot in even, adjustable heat. That means no hot spots, no uneven cooking, just perfectly cooked rice every single time. This isn't just a white or brown rice kind of machine. It's got settings for jasmine, sushi, gaba brown, and even porridge. And that's because different grains need different cooking times. You can cook rice in the morning and still have warm, fresh-tasting rice at dinner. The extended keep warm setting holds moisture and texture like a dream. This cooker's not just smart, it's intuitive. It uses fuzzy logic to make micro-adjustments. And the cleanup, a breeze. The inner pot pops out to wash, and the stainless steel exterior wipes clean easily. There's no weird corners and no scrubbing. And yes, it even plays a little tune when your rice is ready. So jasmine rice is my daily go-to, and just look at this. It's light, fluffy, and every grain is perfectly separate. It's not clumpy and it's not sticky. So this is how jasmine rice should be. Zojirushi rice cookers aren't cheap, but they'll last forever, and they make the best rice, hands down. If rice is part of your soul food, like it is mine, this cooker is worth every grain of the investment.